Hit recap from our 2025 Topps Chrome Baseball Mega Box 6 break number 1. Guys, more baseball on the site, including 2025 Topps Chrome Baseball Logo Fractor Edition 4-box break with 40% off using SBB 40 off. Alright, this is going to show, every card will ship, but this will show the numbered cards, X-Fractors, and autos. So again, the X-Fractors are exclusive to the Topps Chrome Mega, so let's go through them here. Alright, we've got Carlos Nevarez, Pete Fairbanks, Bryce Teodosio, Jesse Winker, Billy Cook, Lane Thomas, Adam Major, Matt Stram, Colton Cowser, Angel Martinez or Angel Martinez, Brent Rooker, Jace Young, Michael Waka Waka, Deshaun Kiersey, Fernando Tatis Jr., Connor Gillespie, and Dylan Cease. All right, Mike Yaz, Tyler Gentry, Riley Green, Logan Driscoll, Jackson Merrill, Isaac Collins, Nico Cavadas, Chris Bryant, and Shea Wickham. All right, let me put these away. Jordan, Otto Lopez, Sal Perez, Nacho Alvarez, Volpe, Christian Campbell, Marco Luciano, DJ Hers, Anthony Santander, Joan Kensie Noel, Cedric Mullins, Brooks Lee, Mike Burrows, Ryan Jeffers, or Elvis Martinez, Corbin Carroll, Aaron Shunk, Andres Jimenez, Grant McCray, Ronald Acuna Jr., Max Fried, Gustavo Campero, Andrew Vaughn, Michael Hellman, Zach Wheeler, love that guy's mayonnaise, Brady Basso, Ryan Bliss, Jose Ramirez, Michael King, and Connor Norby. All right, numbered cards here. JT Realmuto to 250. Purple Lava to 250 of Lane Thomas. And then Tristan Cassis to 199. We pulled an auto. Will Wagner, rookie auto for the Blue Jays, going to Joe W. Or no, Dean E on that one. But Joe W's got a couple nice inserts here. We've got Jacob Wilson, rookie, X-Fractor. We pulled the Dylan Cease, X-Fractor rookie. We also pulled the Dylan Cease 90s Chrome. All right, appreciate you guys filling it up. More baseball on the site right there.